So good morning once again. Yesterday was the first demo. I explained this part, introduction, data, storages, formats, IT application types, BA application types, Power BI definitions, Power Platform, Power BI some components. Yesterday I explained. Today I will give you a revision for 10 to 15 minutes and then go for a fresh part, practical part. Yesterday almost it was theoretical demo and today it is practical demo. And my name is Vinay. This is my contact number. If you want to talk to me today, call me after 11 o'clock. Till evening 7 o'clock, you can call me and talk to me for your concerns, queries and all. I'm a working professional. I'm working as a BA lead consultant. 2 months is the duration. Daily 1 hour is the class time. Monday to Friday classes. Saturday, your wish. In case you want me to take it, I will take on Saturday. Otherwise, we can take off. And these are the components I'm covering. Completely different components than other institutions, even online portals. First one, Power Platform understanding. Second one, Power BI desktop and DAX. DAX is a language which we use in the Power BI. And I explained Power BI service in detail, Power BI server also in detail. And you will get knowledge about paginated report builder. SQL 3 to 4 sessions I will conduct. These sessions not sufficient for your interviews and to work in the real time. You need to learn 1 month SQL overview from this institute or outside your wish. But 1 month overview is required where 7 to 8 topics you need to learn strongly. The 7 to 8 topic list I will give you. MSB Cubes knowledge I will give you. It is compulsory. GitHub practice is mandatory. Report testing is mandatory. And 2 near real-time projects are mandatory. Multiple case studies also mandatory. So these case studies, these real-time projects will give you good awareness on the subject. So this is all about the components in Power BI. Right. So what exactly we provide from institution side for your better learning? You may be from non-IT or you are in IT, but you want to learn the subject properly, thoroughly, strongly. In that situation, the material and practical material which we are giving is required. And daily we will give you live class videos. You can look into the live class videos for your practice. And the training is fully practical on the training. You will be having good interaction with me during the session. We also conduct mock interviews. We will help you in the resume preparation and WhatsApp group also created for your technical doubts, concerns, etc. FAQs also discussed in the classroom, WhatsApp level, many areas. And for fast track, one-to-one and customized training, I don't take this. Contact on this reception number, they'll help you on this. But my course is good enough in case you want to keep less than 5 years in Power BI. In Power BI. Till that level, I will explain the subject with each and every in and out. So Power BI developer, you can try in the market. Along with the DAX language in Power BI, SQL language, Power BI support, you can try. Power BI admin, you can try after finishing these classes. And you can try in the combination of MSB, you can try in the combination of Tableau or ClickView, you can try in the combination of Azure, ADF, and Data Lake, in case you have knowledge on this. And you can try as a Power BI fresher. And you can try as a Power BI plus Synapse plus Databricks resource. And you want to keep more than 5 years in Power BI. This course is not sufficient. You need to learn modeling, you need to learn designing, you need to learn architecting and specialist knowledge. This is additional required. Yes, Jakir, Power BI gateway is very detailed explained. Not in normal level, very detailed. Now coming to the materials and class videos. I'll show you for one batch. I'll show you for the previous batch, 7 a.m. February batch. So like this, folder wise, you will get the topics. And for this batch, I have taken DAG sessions, Power-based server sessions, report server sessions, service sessions, Microsoft Flow session, Microsoft App session, interview guidance, Power Apps, Tabular Cube, page-centered reporting, multiple topics. Let me click on this. Power-based service. You asked me about gateway. You can see that the gateway sessions. Gateway activate, adding sources, Excel, Cube, databases, on-premises, refresh, schedule refresh. 2 to 3 classes are connected on gateway. Even the DAX language, around 10 days. April 19th it started, till May 14th continue. So this is the way you will find one folder with set of videos. For your batch, your live class videos. And I'll give you material like this. And with Power BI service, desktop apps, everything available here. Projects and case studies, real-time issues, interview FAQs and project tools, resumes, tabular cube material, SQL Server material. These are the materials I will give you in folders. So what all required I will give you. So materials, videos, you will receive properly. You don't worry about that. Now, let me continue now. I will continue with last class revision. And I already explained classes duration.
Hi, Vinay, sorry. So is there any relation, what is the relation between the Power BI and ADF?
Yeah, I'm about to explain, sir.
Okay.
So classes duration, opportunities completed today, and what we provide also explained. Coming to market. Yesterday I opened Gartner rating, Gartner organization rating in analytics and BA for Microsoft, even Forrester Wave. At least one I will open. Both said only one point. Microsoft is a leader in the analytics and BA. Microsoft named a leader in the 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant for analytics and BA. Today, we are announcing that for the 15th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for analytics and BA. So you don't worry about Microsoft future or market. Confidently, you can enter into Microsoft in analytics and BA platform. No doubt. Because for the 15 years, it's a leader. You can see the statistics also. So Microsoft is a leader. And these are challengers. Right. Next one rating is okay. And I will share the same document, go through it one by one and verify why everyone considering Microsoft as a leader in the BA. What type of features it has? Look into it. Now. So Microsoft leadership, I explained. I will explain developer and admin differences in the regular class because it will take around half an hour time. I'll explain in the regular class. So this is your hierarchy. This is your hierarchy. You need to have good knowledge on it. First one, you need to know about data. How many types of data available in the market? You must be aware of it. And luckily, Power BI is supporting all types of data. So first, you need to know how many types of data available, and then how many types of IT application available, and what is BA application. In BA applications, where exactly Power BI stand, Power BI position, and Power BI is standalone component or is it a part of a platform? That you need to know. So let me explain you the same in 2 lines. Anything you are able to store is called data. In the current market, we have 3 types of data. First one, structured data. As explained yesterday, column by column data stored, table format data stored, fully structured. Second one, semi-structured. Your auditing data, event tracking data, recording data is semi-structured, not fully structured. Unstructured, no structure at all. Your Facebook, your Instagram, your Gmail, your Word document content, your PDF document content, those all come under unstructured. So these are the 3 types of data you find in IT. And IT applications deal with this data only. We have 2 major applications. One will process the business. Tickets booking is a business. And when you go to a shopping mall, you purchase something. That information storage is a transactional business. Simply business operations applications. Second one, what are the business data stored? For that, decision-making data creation. Decision-making data, analytical data to take decisions, whether to continue or stop or increase or decrease products, etc. Those applications come under OLAP applications. As they are providing intelligent data to the business, we call them as BA applications. So IT applications, second major classification, BA applications. Since 90, the BA applications available. Initial BA applications capability very less. And modern BA applications came into the picture. Modern BA applications. And among the modern BA applications, Power BI is a leader. So Power BI having modern BA features, which you don't find in the legacy. Even contemporary tools in the modern also, you will not find. Tableau, ClickView, and many tools level, you will not find the features which Power BI has. That's the reason it is ruling the rust. Now, modern BA features. Power BI. Yeah, I'll explain you these features. Modern BA features. And Power BI is one of the component under Power Platform since 2019. Now, Power BI is not alone. 2013 to 19, Power BI is standalone, but now Power BI is part of Power Platform. It is a very powerful platform from Microsoft with multiple services. What are these services? I will explain it tomorrow in detail. And tomorrow means Monday. Monday our classes on this only first in detail information. From basics, I will start from Monday. So once again, Power Platform having one component called Power BI. Power BI come under modern BI application. BA applications are one category in IT applications. IT applications use multiple types of data. Clear? Next. So this is what I explained. Anything you are able to store is data. 3 types of data. And analytical data. The information which is derived from the above business data is analytical data. Then what is business data? What is analytical data? Last class explained. You booked a train ticket, Tatkal train ticket. The database holds information like this: PNR number, amount, passengers, starting station, ending station, date, train number, etc. This is your business data where the database holds. Yeah, and the booked information on it. But coming to analytical data, for this analytical data is this: how many trains having full booking, trains not having any booking, which region having highest sale of tickets. This is called analytical data. How do you convert this data into this? And some people, they call this data as BA data, business intelligence data, because it is giving intelligent answers of the business. As it is giving intelligent answers of the business, we call it as a BA data. The process which converts normal data into BA data is called, see, business data conversion to business intelligence data is called, the process is called BA process. Are you clear? So your business data converting into business intelligence data. In between, there is a process called BI process, business intelligence process. As I told you, it is a layered process. Scientists given a layered process. First, daily, your business data, you gather it and store it in a particular storage area. So first one, gathering, storing. Second one, required data you take and go for analytical operations. Third one, you present the data in the form of reports and dashboards. So this is a BA process. Then what is report? Report is individual operation specification component. What is dashboard? A subject area data for high level presentation. Simply multiple reports information we take in a place called dashboard. In BA tools, any tool you take, in Tableau, ClickView, Power BI, any tool, your input is data, output is report or dashboard. In between, whatever the process we have, that is a layered process. Let me show you graphically the same information. General public, transactional data, business data. Assume you booked a IRCTC ticket, the ticket information available here. But management team, they don't bother about your data directly, and they see the data in the form of reports and dashboards. That will be given to the management team. That will be given to the management team, reports and dashboards. The process which you follow to convert your normal data into management analytical data is BA process given in 90s. And this is the first layer, data gathering layer, technically extract, transform, load layer. So these are the tools, legacy tools we use for this process, like Informatica, DataStage, Ab initio. These tools we use it. Second, huge storages. Those are called warehouses. Teradata, Oracle, SQL Server, etc. But complete warehouse data is not suitable for analysis. Required data we take, aggregates we create, some average, minimum, top, bottom, rank, etc. we create and go for analysis. And that layer is called semantic layer. Which layer? Semantic layer. Data gathering, data storage, special kind of semantic area, finally presentation layer. This data presented to the customers or management team for the decision making. So this is BA process. So yesterday might be new for you. Today it is easy for you, right? Same process. And from tomorrow also, we are going to discuss the same process. You feel very bored after 2 or 3 days. Process does not change. The way we implement will change. Same technology, same process, but the way we implement in one tool to another tool will change. So 90 to 2005, if any company wants to implement this approach, if any company wants a BA solution, remember one ETL, one warehouse, one semantic, one reporting component compulsory required. So 90 to 2005, only top organizations started BA process and BA projects. Small and medium organizations scared to use it. They get afraid of this process, layers, setups, resources, very costly. So one organization came to the market with end-to-end simple solution, suitable for the small organization, suitable for the medium organization, even large organizations. That is MSBA. Microsoft cloud product, Microsoft Business Intelligence. This is for on-premise. On-premise in the sense, within the organization, the service to be installed, within the organization, the information to be managed. That area is called on-premises. In your company, you want to install the service, you want to manage it, that is called on-premises. So this is the first BA suite from Microsoft. And of course, the first BA suite in IT for end-to-end operations. No need of multiple tools, multiple setups. One suite setup is sufficient. SSIS is the first tool for ETL in this. AS analysis services. IS stands for integration service. A stands for analytical service. RS stands for reporting service here. Integration, analysis, reporting service. So, and it was released in 2005. I will come back to yesterday notes. 90 to 2000 companies need multiple components, tools, setup, resources. Only top level management people used it. And Microsoft BA, first BA, with set of tools to perform end-to-end operation, released in 2005. When was it released? MSBA suite released in 2005. First version, second version, 8. Next version, 8 released 2. Next version, 12. Next version, 14. These are the versions we are having in MSBA. But MSBA is a leader in the market since 2008. Now you are enjoying the fruit in Power BI because of MSBA leadership. MSBA got that fame. And for the last 16 years, Microsoft is a leader in the analytics and BA because of MSBA, not for Power BI. Power BI, they're retaining the position for the last 6 years. But MSBA only brought that achievement to Microsoft. And it's purely for on-premises. And as it was developed in 2005, there were many features not available after 2005, which whatever happened in the market. IT industrial level, there is a great evolution after 2007. I don't know whether you're aware of it or not, but IT level, great evolution after 2007. Facebook, Twitter, Insta, many popular. Even the, what do you say? The GPay, PhonePe kind of stuff also popular after 2007 only. Smartphones we started using after 2010. Cloud technology is popular after 2010. Everything after 2005. Those are all not available in Microsoft BA level. So no semi-structured data handling, cloud support, embedding, mobile friendly not available, not a good supportive component for data science and AI. These are not available. So Microsoft decided, why don't we release a component which is on fire, And so they named it as Power BI. We are adding power to the existing BI, and it is a continual BI. Which BI? Continual BI. For the existing Microsoft BI, they added semi-structured data handling. They added cloud support. They added embedding. So you can keep your Power BI report in the Facebook, Twitter, SharePoint, many places, and mobile friendly. You can install in your smartphone, Power BI reports, you can manage it, and very good support to data science and artificial intelligence. It has self-service BA features. So this one I will explain you, but these are all the advantages in Power BI. That's why they mentioned adding power to BA. And the most important point which you need to concentrate after these points, self-service. MSBA level, we require 1, 2, 3 minimum components or tools to do end-to-end BA. You are providing data and you want BA data. In between, you require 3 tools in MSBA, but in Power BI, no. Power BI level, one single application we have. We will see the practical now, which will perform this end-to-end operations. The single application is Power BI desktop. Our Windows desktop installing multiple components and doing different types of operations. Windows desktop. Similarly, Power BI desktop also perform multiple operations. The name for the name desktop given to Power BI for that reason. MSBA suite with tools only, but Power BI to implement this end-to-end operations, they given a desktop. Multiple operations at it's doing. The component name is Power BI desktop. So this is a concept, Power Query concept for this operation. This is a concept for this operation. This is a concept for this operation. So these are the concepts available in single application of desktop to implement end-to-end BA. So this application is called self-service BA application. What do we call it? One application will get the data and generate report or dashboard after doing complete BA process. No need of multiple setups, no need of multiple tools, no need of multiple components. Even resources also multiple not required. Okay, sir, we understood the strength of Power BI and what is Power BI. Then what about Azure BA? What is Azure BA? So there is no component called Azure BA. MSBA physically available, Power BI physically available, Azure BA physically not available. Azure is a cloud platform. Remember everyone, Azure is a cloud platform. It is providing support for storage. You ask Microsoft, I don't want to maintain any storage in my company. I want to use your storage. They will give you Azure storage. And if you ask Microsoft, I don't want to maintain any infrastructure, you provide me infrastructure. They will provide you infrastructure. If you ask Microsoft, I don't want to maintain any platforms in my machine. I want to maintain in the cloud only, platform service. And even softwares also, I don't want to install the servers in my company. I want to install in the cloud. How much you want to charge? Server service. Like this, multiple services Azure providing, multiple types of service. In case BA operations you are using in the Azure level, logically we can call like Azure BA. Logically we call like Azure BA. Understood? So if you use BA operations, the Azure, logically Azure BA, but there's no Azure BA available. So could you tell me a couple of BA components? Yes. Azure is a cloud one, not on-premises. MSBA, on-premise. On-premise BA from Microsoft. So servers and all install in your company, you manage within the organization. Azure BA, cloud. Microsoft level, the server services, everything available. You connect it and use it and pay accordingly. And one component at cloud for the ETL process. Cloud ETL is ADF, Azure Data Factory. Here is the place it will participate. And analysis services, cloud analysis services in this area. So SSIS plus ADF. This is cloud. This is on-premise. And normal SSAS for on-premise. Azure SSAS, AAS, cloud. And coming to warehouse level, we have Teradata, SQL Server. These are on-premises. Azure level, we go for Synapse, Snowflake, etc. Warehousing components, even data lake, etc. So Azure Cloud ETL is ADF, similar to SSIS. Azure Cloud Analysis is AAS, similar to analysis services. The same only in the cloud. And similar to these warehouses, we have Synapse, Snowflake, etc. So what about reporting? Azure level, no reporting. Again, they need to come back to Power BI, or they need to go to SSRS. Microsoft MSB, SSRS legacy, or Power BI, they need to approach. But compared to SSRS, and Power BI is very powerful, cloud friendly, and even Power BI backend data system stores in the Azure backend data. That's the reason couple of people going for Azure BA plus MSBA. So cloud level, they are doing ETL. Cloud level, they are doing semantic operation, reporting Power BI. Some people on-premises level ETL, on-premises level semantic, reporting again Power BI. Reporting again Power BI. So you find in the market 3 ways of Power BI projects. Small applications, end-to-end implementation in the Power BI, end-to-end. Top organizations and already existing projects, they're using Power BI only in the reporting area. So maybe cloud or on-premises, ETL, data warehousing, along with that Power BI only reporting, not for this operation. So once you join in the organization, let me conclude this point. So today additional points 04, 06, 2022. Second demo. Power BI usage in companies. A, small subject areas or tasks, end-to-end process. Existing BI projects, either on-premise or cloud, reporting solution. Not only MSBA, Power BI. You are able to see MSBA or Azure BA plus Power BI, but some companies, Informatica and Power BI. Cloud, on-premises, ETL and Power BI. Some companies, SAP, HANA and Power BI. Some companies, Redshift and Power BI. Like this, multiple combination available. It is a wonderful reporting solution for all. Someone asked me at the beginning of the session, sir, what is the relationship between Power BI and ADF? Now you understood? Got clarity? Right. And Power BI announced in 2013, 13 July. Thereafter, Power BI having monthly updates. No versions in Power BI. Why, sir? They want to capture the market. They want to add continual updates in the market. That's the reason we have monthly updates in Power BI. Starting from July 2013 to till this month, we have monthly updates in Power BI. It is very tough job, but still Microsoft taken. That's the reason it's a leader. If a new product released in IT, immediately Microsoft will try to adapt in their organization. New challenge, new approach. Yes, next month you will find it. Microsoft has a rich set of scientists. They're providing this support. And you want to see that, this is a link you can see. June 2022 is a current month update. This was the release, July. and we call it as a history. This is called as history. Got it? Right. So MSBA having versions, Power BA not having versions, adding power to BA, and continual BA. So continue monthly updates we have in the Power BA. And you can see this. Fine, sir. Sir, I'm good with what is data. What is BA application? What is Power BA and what exactly it has? I'm good. Can you show me how easily we can work in Power BA and what type of components it has? Now, practical part. Power BA level, this is a component, desktop component will perform end-to-end operations. This only generates reports. Your wish, where do you want to store and manage? You can go to Microsoft Cloud. You can place and manage. So customers will come to the cloud and operate. Or you can keep within your organization server so that customer come to the server and operate. So this is the first major component, second component, third component. This is cloud. This is on-premise. Within your company level, you are storing and managing. And there are a couple of other components, report builder, Power BI developer, Power BI embedding, etc. These are the components Power BI has. But under desktop, we have concepts, Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, etc. under desktop. Power Map also. But these are called concepts. 4 concepts under Power BI desktop, and these are the Power BI total components. Sir, which one we use in the real time? Don't worry. This you use 98%, so 95%. This combination you use 5%. And this report builder at nowadays 10 to 15% people use it additionally. These you find in the market. You can see in the opportunities also the same. Right. Now current topic. One simple practical. Very simple practical. Show you medium level example, not very low level example, medium level example to explain end-to-end BI process. Session runs little fast. This practical, I'm talking about practical. Don't worry about navigations. This video has, after the session, you can practice. Regular class, very detailed discussion. Regular class, very detailed. So this is a demo session. I need to explain one medium level example so that everyone will come to know. Shall we start? What is the first one? Input. Input is my family expenses data. My family daily expenses data. I'm expecting output decision making on my family expenses. Like highest spending, lowest spending, frequent travel, etc. This is my decision making. In between, if you want to convert this to this, we require BA process and tool. This is between. And I decided to go for Power BI desktop. Or Power BI desktop. So what is required now? Download and install Power BI desktop. Next, use it to convert input to output. Business data to or data to BA data. Free to download, easy to install. So, sir, what is your objective? You're explaining this, okay. My objective is ease of installation, simple to implement, end-to-end process, full graphical facility. This I want to show. That's the reason this example is designed. There is a little complex area in Power BI that also I will cover, don't worry. Shall I go? Right, sir. So Google it and download. Google it. Power BI desktop download. Click downloads. Come down, Microsoft Power BI. Just go to advanced download. Which download? Advanced. Don't go for the upper one. Tomorrow or next session, I will tell you when we go for the upper one. Upper one is recommended, but I will tell you in the next session. So Power BI transforms data into actionable insights with the dashboards and reports. Come down, Microsoft Power BI desktop. You want to download? Click download. Before download, you want to see details, system requirements, installation instructions, everything clearly given. Kindly go through it. And we will discuss about this on Monday. We don't have time to discuss everything. Download, desktop, tick mark it, click next. This is for 64-bit machine. Size is 374 MB. This is 32-bit machine, 340 MB. The size is very normal size. And you don't believe what was the size when I started working on. I have one older desktop. Look at this. Online people, look at this. What was the size I worked initially? 2015. I have complete history, guys. 2015. What was size of Power BI desktop? 50 MB, very normal size. Even mobile app also having nowadays 70, 80, 100 MB. But this is very narrow. Software size is 50 MB. Then why 300 MB now? 380 MB. As it is adding features, monthly updates, its size also increased. Click next. And then it will be downloaded like this. I already downloaded. It will be downloaded like this. So this is the one download. Google it, download it. What about installation? Go to this. Next. Next, finish. What happens? Immediately, you find a shortcut on the system. If you don't find, you can search in the search bar. You can get it in the search bar. Power BI desktop. Sometimes you may not find shortcut, then you can go to this app. Okay, I will use this. Then what about input, sir? Between component is okay. What about input? This is my input. I will give you input also for your practice. This is Excel sheet. Kindly look into that. For your practice, I'm giving Excel sheet, but in the real time, I never worked on Excel. I never worked on. I worked on databases, cloud applications, and cloud warehouses, etc. I never worked on Excel. And this is for your practice only. The way we control this will change, but not data, right? But not data. Now, this is my family expenses Excel. First row is normal data. Next, onwards, we have data. Date, amount, on which date, how much amount, for which reason I spent, which area I spent, and which location I travel further. Books, Motinagar, 1000 rupees on 2020 Hyderabad. Food, Motinagar, 2000 Vizag. Internet, 500 Geo Hyderabad, etc. This is one file. And one more small file I will take. This is called as more descriptive file. Guys, this is not very simple. Medium level example I told you. There are a couple of working people joined for the session to get some knowledge, good understanding. So everyone I need to explain. So I'm going for medium level example. But regular class starts from very basics, don't worry. Normal examples onwards. Even you will enjoy when I take at least medium level example. So two inputs. I said books, but books, detailed information available here. Books, okay, which books? LKG, UKG. Travel indicate emergency in general. Food indicate tiffin biryani. Internet indicate and entertainment indicate act and geo. Sir, what I want to do? I want one column from here. I want the amount from here too. This mix I want to show in the report level. That's why I said medium level example. Two independent sources. One is Excel, one is file. Real time, you may work with one database, one cube, one on-premises application, one cloud application. But combinedly, you want to generate a report. How do you do that? That concept only I'm explaining now. Shall I continue? Now, what to do? Your input, you know, close it, close it. Open the desktop. Sir, I click Power BI desktop. It opened like this. Go to shortcut on the desktop, click. It will open. Close this window. Don't worry. Close this window. And this is the main interface. And this is colorblind friendly. Even colorblind people can work happily. Next one, SSBA. self-service BA. That means end-to-end BA. So it will bring your data now. It can extract the data. If the data is not proper, it can transform the data. Once transformation completed, multiple inputs available, it will establish a relationship. It will establish security. So that required people will work on, and also generate visuals. Finally, the BA data generated. Which is generated BA data. And this is the input. This is the output. In between, the first one is extraction. If not proper, transformation, modeling, security, visualization. Same BA process. This component will do. The extraction we do in this area. The transformation we do in this area. The modeling we do in this area. The visualization we do in this area. Sorry, security. The visualization we do in this area. We take the visuals here. We take the columns here. And if required, filters also we take and generate a report here. Generate visualization area here. All areas are nearby. Don't panic. Daily you're going to work on the same. Yesterday the navigations look little confusion, but daily you're going to work on the same. Routine process, regular process. Now, the same thing you want to implement in other BA tools, other BA components, multiple tools, multiple components, multiple setups required. But in Power BI, multiple concepts sufficient. What are sufficient? Multiple concepts. So what to do now? We need to bring the data. How do we bring? Get data, Excel workbook. I will go to this family expense Excel. Click on this. Click the table. First one. Click load. So ready, sir. Similarly, get data. What is that? Text file. First one Excel, now text file. Where is that? Reason details open. So this is the first operation in the BA. Click load. First operation in the BA, getting data. You want to see the data, go to this data. There you see the data. See, the data is not proper. Column heading is not proper. Go to second one. Here also column heading is not proper. We got the data, column heading is not proper. That means this has to be transformed. Second step we need to implement. Where we go? You're able to see data not proper. Then go to transform data. Transform data. transform data. So where it is going? A separate window called Power Query. Once again, you want to see? We observe the data and then same home, transform data. It will open a separate window, transformation window, do the changes here. I'm exploring bigger. First, what I want to do, date, amount, reason to be column heading. Date, amount, reason to be column heading. So click on this corner, use first row as header, mention it. Is it okay? Ready now. First one proper, column by column. Next, reason details. But you cannot take this one as header. Second row I need as header. Second row I need as header. Check the option. No, only first row as header available. Second row as header not available. So go to remove top rows. This is called transformation. First transformation. Number of rows removal 1. One row removed. Now you can take this as column heading. So click on this. Use first row as header. So in this source, 2 transformations I'm applying. 1, 2. Once this is done, now go to close and apply. Click on close and apply. It will apply the changes and close. The transformation area, it closes. So what if I don't close? You cannot continue with reporting. If the change is not completed, we cannot continue with the report. See, table 1 looking good. Reason details looking good. Second area, first area. Second area, explain. BA second area. Now third area, relationships. Click on this. Check the relationships. Automatically connected. The names are similar, so auto connected. This is called relationship. Fourth area, security, that we will implement in the class. Fifth area, reporting. Click on this. So this is a reporting area. What I told you, you take one visual here, you take the fields here and construct it. Now I will take a pie chart. So click on pie chart. These visuals, 15 days we'll discuss, don't worry. 15 days we'll discuss. Take pie chart and then expand and see. I want lesson level reason description. First table. Amount, second table, values area. Explore bigger. See that. This is a visual. You want to explore bigger, explore bigger. It's clearly telling tiffin and biryani 50% money I spent, an emergency and medical 28%, and act and geo 8% money, and books, LKG, UKG books 5% money I spent. So this is talking about composition of my spending. How much percentage for which reason? 1. I want to compare, not like this. Better comparison. Take bar chart. Take bar chart. I'm moving here. Access. First take the visual, second fill it. reason description here, amount in the values, explore, tiffin, biryani, emergency and general, LKG, UKG. These two are top. These are least. This is for comparison. This is for composition, percentages. How much percentage for which reason and which one is highest, which one is lowest. I just want to see the data. Just data you want to see. Table. Take table. I want reason description. I want location. I want amount. Table. Explore bigger. Reason description wise, location wise, how much money I spent. I want to show a single value total sales. There is a visual called card. Card. Click card. Place here. Amount you place. Automatically show you the value. Card and value. Next. I want to filter this. I want to provide user interaction. Click slicer. This is a slicer. Take fields. I want location. Ready. You want to see the values in the slicer? Hyderabad, Surabhi Restaurant, Ganesh Mart, Vijayawada, Vizag. I'll click Vizag. See, this is Vizag value, Vizag spending. Vizag level tiffin and biryani, 81% is money I spent. This is my Vizag total spending. You can explore bigger and see. Vizag spending, 31,850. It's the same value. And Vizag level, my comparison, tiffin and biryani more. And I want Vijayawada. Vijayawada, 26,000 plus. And Vijayawada level, I spend for medical more money. So this is the way we will take visual and take fields and generate a report view. So we are able to convert your normal data into decision-making data with simple process. Do you agree? Anything complex? So the extraction part is easy, the transformation part is easy, the modeling is easy, reporting easy. Only one thing, little complex. While implementing business logics, we write a language called DAX. All areas easy to process, except one small area. Business logics implementation area. There we use DAX language which is similar to Excel language, Excel function language. We just use functions, comma, no coding. This is not a coding. We just need to use functions, no coding. Rest all part, just mouse only use it. But only in this place, while implementing logic, small functions we need to use. That's it. Okay, report view ready. Now I want to share to customer. First, save it. File menu, save. How is it saving? PBIX. A Word document saved with DOCX. Excel document saved with XLSX. Power BI document saved with PBIX. This is a document, not a report. It's a document, not a report. I'm saving it. Vinaytech Power BI second demo on 04/06/2022. Second demo practical document. Ready, sir? So this is a self-service BA component. All the operations I explained practical. And where do you see that? I save under documents, demo information. This is a document, Power BI desktop document. Today 8/23. So whatever I planned in the last 2 days successfully completed. Introduction, data information, IT applications, BA applications, and Power BI. What is Power BI? What is Power Platform? Power BI important components. And what is the difference between Power BI, MS BI, Azure BI? Power BI multiple sources, 2 sources I taken, establish a relationship, generated visuals, etc. complete. Now the next one, definition. Different people define differently Power BI. Some people say adding power to BI. Some people say it's a self-service BA application or software as service because of its operations. And Microsoft saying it is an analytics service which will deliver insights, visuals for fast, informative decisions. That is true. You practically observe. And it is able to transform. It will show you visually. It will collaborate the inputs and share and multiple. Few experts saying Power BI is a self-service, cloud and on-premises supportive, cloud storage, on-premises storage, any type of data operatable, data modeling also supported, analytical visualization tool. So different people, different definitions. I will explain in detail in the regular class, don't worry. And we created a report in this area, but I did not explain managing. Managing is either this area, and the regular class we will see. Managing. But how do we use Power BI desktop? The major component I explained. And how do we convert normal data to BA data also I explained. So from the demo side, whatever I planned today successfully completed. So usually BA will take data, generate report or dashboard. I generate a report using Power BI tool, using Power BI tool or application or service. Yeah, the current report only in the Power BI desktop level, but we need to go to service or server where other people will see. There only the management activities take place, Zakir. Okay, Zakir? I'm stopping the demo, guys.